In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Granny Horror multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow step by step. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily play Granny Horror multiplayer. Of course, to do this, all of your friends will need the latest version of the game, and all that you have to do is choose the same region when you go over to the multiplayer menu. So, when you get to the home screen of the game, double check the version at the bottom right, see if it says the same one for everyone, but if you downloaded it recently from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS, then everyone should be good to go. Now go into Play Game and make sure that you choose Multiplayer. Now, the first thing that you have to do here is set up a player name. You will notice that if you don't have a player name set, the play button is not going to be available. And sometimes if you just type some small name with only 2 letters, for example, nothing will happen. So to make sure that the play button appears, make sure that you type a lot of characters. I don't know exactly what's the minimum of characters that you have to type, but just make sure that the play button appears after you change your player name. You can customize your character if you wish, and besides this, all that you have to do now is choose the same region. This is very important. So if all of you are from the US, choose this one. If all of you are from South America, choose this one, and so on. Or just choose the one that is closest to all of you. Now tap play and you will be able to set up the game. Now the next step is for one of you to create the game and everyone else to join. If you just want to play multiplayer with random people, go over to random game. But if you want to play with your friends exclusively, you will have to create the game, so watch the ad, and all the rest of you will be able to tap join game at the bottom. So when you tap join game, you will access the game using the room name. So input the room name here and you will be able to join and start playing right away. Regardless of which option you pick, the experience is going to be the same if you were playing single player, for example, and this is all you have to do to play Granny Horror multiplayer on your mobile device on any platform. Make sure that you share the room name accordingly after you watch the ad, and you will be good to go to play it. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Granny Horror multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.